actually and check out some new shit.
No, I just saw Delver. I just hit up Delver, like, yo, trying to buy that shit. Buying crack. Let me see if Ratchet wants the H.
Gotta check for the hair too.
Hello, Mr. Motherfucking Dexx.
Hey, what's up? What's up? What you doing?
Been trying to fucking buy crack for fucking years, motherfucker.
I could tell. Shit.
I even bought a whole ass brick to try to make it myself, but then couldn't find the carbon-alhomium.
What?
And then I pulled one baggie out of the brick. I wasted 99 bags because I didn't know that bitch wasn't one.
Yo, what are you doing? You should have hollered at. You should have hit us up. We know how to cook it up.
I've been asking and begging GSM.
You should have brought the product to us. We'd have cooked it up for you free of charge, bro.
Okay. Do you have the other white stuff? Because I have not been able to find that.
Well, I mean, we had it. You gotta let us know next time. Like what?
Motherfucker, I've been trying to buy fucking crack for like so long. Dexx, I would be your #1 customer if y'all would just fucking cook it.
Listen, man. I will figure it out. We're gonna get you some of that, bro. Heavy. But I do got some other shit.
What's up, motherfucker?
Like, you need some of that H? No. Some of that Ron Bron?
I don't fuck with none of that. That's unhealthy for you. Only the crack.
You fucking goofy ass motherfucker. All right, bro. Yeah, you right.
I'm a dip raw beef.
Yeah,
it's bad for you.
You right, bro. Heroin is bad for you, and crack is definitely good for you. Yeah,
crack is delicious.
It's healthy
for you.
All right, man.
Yo, Pack, have a good night.
I'll let you know when I get that shit, player.
Hey, yeah, motherfucker, thank you, Minister, motherfucker, Dexx.
Later, man.
Yo, good night.
Bye-bye.
Oh, shit, bro.